In this video, Facebook comment not showing problem. Most relevant is selected. Some comment may have been filtered out problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Facebook app. Click on app info or I button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search Facebook. Update Facebook app if available on Play Store or App Store. Go to Facebook. Facebook comment showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.